Good morning.
Was it Daughtry?
Yeah.
That Carrie and Andy were going to see?
Yeah.
Just talking about Daughtry.
Yep.
The song came on. I was like, hey, it just hit me.
Nothing like messing up my intro. Good morning, everybody. We found cashew chicken in Republic, Missouri. It's pretty good. What do you think? You like it?
Good, but the names changes in different place, but the cashew's spot on.
Cashew chicken spot on. That's the one thing I miss from Florida. Miss while I'm in Florida is cashew chicken. So we found some good cashew chicken. Then we're headed to Marionville to see her cousin for a little while. And then I have my second birthday party tonight. So here we go.
The celebration has not ended.
The celebration continues on and on.
Go, Waylon. Go. Yeah.
Almost. It's a start.
Hey.
Put it in the hole. Hey, it goes in the hole. Look, I like this.
Got the 50.
Put it in the hole.
Tyler's 35.
Oh.
Kim's 67.
Waylon, what are you doing?
Remember I was younger, I used to... Are you supposed to the cake? Yeah, it'll be on the vlog, the daily vlog. Alright.
Oh, mine went out. Uh-oh, we'll have to get it relit. Oh, it's back. Okay.
Don't burn yourself, Linda.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Santa. Happy birthday to you. Okay, blow your candles out.
All three of you at the same time.
Okay, ours no cookies.
Yeah, I'm gonna blow yours out. My wife's blowing mine out.
Here, look at her. She's not looking.
Oh, she... Oh, one of the reasons that we left Missouri in the first place was they have days and days of this. I live in Florida. It rains every day, but it rains for like an hour and then it quits. Or if a hurricane comes, you know it's coming and then it's gonna rain for a few days. But like they've gotten rain, tornadoes, thunderstorms, you name it. And we've only been here like a week and a half. Anyway, so you guys saw our second party with another portion of the family. So I think we're all partied out now. The partying for the birthday is done. It's official. 50 has come and 50 is gone. Now it's time to move on to more adventures. So we're still here for 4 days, and then Friday we're gonna head back to the switchback. But tomorrow we're gonna go, it's supposed to be nice tomorrow. We're going with my sister to do a little exploring. So I'll get to take you along with us tomorrow doing that. But for now, I'm gonna see if we can get to the house dry and we'll finish this video there. We'll see you guys in a little bit. Hi guys, I have landed for the night. Oh, what do you guys think of my new shirt? My sister got that for me. That was one of my birthday presents. I like it. It's pretty cool. Anyway, that's it guys. Today is just a boring Sunday. And tomorrow we're going to go do a little exploring, have a little adventure. I'll get to take you guys and show you some new areas. But today was just boring, rainy, had a party, and that was it. But you know what? I will say this much. Like, in the motorcycle world, there are those that love motorcycles, and then there are those that I think ride motorcycles just so other people will see them riding a motorcycle. Like there's no passion there. And some of the comments I get on Facebook and on YouTube are just blow me away, to know that like somebody will talk about Hurley or Honda, and to know that a brand has upset them so much. One guy commented when I said what was wrong with Harley Davidson, they're like, well, Harley Davidson is going to run everybody off because you buy a junk Harley and then you never want another motorcycle in your life. I don't get that at all. If you love motorcycles, it doesn't matter what you buy, you're going to love it. And if you have a problem with one, you're going to get a different brand, but you're still going to love motorcycles, right? I don't get it. But anyway, that's like a whole nother video, and I'm not going to get into that tonight. Hope you guys had a great Sunday. Hope you guys have a great Monday, because that's when you're watching this. And hopefully, man, there's been tons of storms here. Oklahoma, Kansas, Nebraska. I hope you guys are all safe and sound, because it's been pretty nuts around here. Another reason we left Missouri. But anywho, hope you guys have a great Monday. We'll see you tomorrow.